Girl, I forgot I had this. Damn, I want to hire somebody already. What that mean, y'all? This was like $300, bro. I could charge a damn laptop with this. And I'm like, Mom, please. As soon as she would leave, I would turn it off and all my symptoms cleared up. This is like a video camera that goes up to 1000 zoom. So you can go in your scalp and stuff. I'm gonna make a video on this. I forgot.
Every time I come here, it stinks.
It smell like.
Why would you try to drug me like that? Dayquil, ho, the orange kind. You look around and you go, oh. Like, I don't have that much stuff. And then you start digging through drawers and going through knick-knack, paddywhack. It's actually too much.
I can't do it! I can't.
That's why I'm just getting rid of every little thing that I know I will not use. Hey y'all, this video is sponsored by Mova. Mova is a brand that makes innovative home appliances with smart tech. So I have here the Mova K30 wet and dry vacuum, which thank goodness, because I have a lot of floor that needs a lot of cleaning. And the K30 is super powerful, but also super easy to use. It has an upgraded 250 watt motor with 18,000 pascals of suction. And that'll help you get up any wet or dry debris. And because it's made by Mova, there is smart tech in there that can detect how much wet or dry debris there is and adjust the suction accordingly. It also has 500 reps per minute high frequency mopping, which is exactly what I need to get up those like really difficult spills. One of my favorite things about it is that it has a 180-degree lie flat reach. So you can really get into those hard to clean areas, fitting into spaces as low as 14 centimeters. Another one of my favorite features is that it has a zero gap dual edge cleaning. So it can navigate those edges and get right up to those baseboards to give you a super thorough cleaning. Now with any cleaning appliance, one thing I've learned to look for is whether or not it has self-cleaning, because those cleaning appliances end up needing cleaning themselves. Thankfully, Mova has us covered because the K30 has a self-cleaning feature. It has a dual rotation brush wash, so while self-cleaning, the brush actually rotates back and forth to simulate scrubbing. And after that, which I think is really cool, there's 30 minutes of 60-degree hot air drying. So after the brush spins at high speeds to remove excess liquid, the hot air drying prevents any odor and keeps the bristles in good condition. Ultimately, the K30 is a beast at getting up any messes, wet or dry, and with that self-cleaning feature, just takes the work out of cleaning. So if you're interested, check it out at the link in my description box below. Or you can search it up on Google or Amazon. Shout out to Mova for sponsoring today's video. Speaking of the video, let's get back into it. And sit down somewhere.
Hey, McCollum, run in here.
Oh, hey, it's like every time I walk in there, it's just a hot mess. And I don't want to look at it because it feels like confronting a larger issue, which is that
I think you...
I don't know, I have too much stuff.
Oh my gosh.
But then it's like, do I? Because it's all in there. Like I have space for it.
Right.
But do I need it?
Wow.
Girl, like I can explain, like please. When you come in here, don't say nothing.
Don't
say
ever
nothing
fix
at
your
all.
lip.
All kind of stuff up in there. Sis, please, this is not who I am. I swear it's not. But then again, maybe it is. Well, I think this might be who I am. It's a lot of mess, so I just close the door on it and I keep up with the exterior, the one that people are actually interacting with. That sound familiar to you? It could just be trauma from when I was younger and my mom would say Oprah was coming over our house.
Gee, what would that be like?
So we had to clean up real fast.
Girl, what the?
And she never gave us a time or a date that Oprah would come over, so we always just kept the house clean.
See, I'm telling you, I have the mind of a I have the mind of a mastermind. What's that? I don't know, but I'm so creative like that.
It was so stressful, so I was cleaning up all the time because I was like, guys, Oprah's coming. I don't know why she said that.
Why would she do that?
But here we are, cleaning up because who knows? Oprah could be coming. There's mad stuff in here, including spiders. Like literally in the corner that you're standing in, Mama, you might want to put your feet up.
It's not fanny.
Girl, because they coming up your leg. Boxes, hair products, stuff that I just threw in here when I moved in and I just never got rid of. This is actually full of like stuff that I usually film with, but I've been here for 6 months and I use none of this stuff. Therefore, I think it's about time to get rid of some stuff. I'm gonna do how I always do and I create piles. A donate pile, a sell pile, and a keep pile. That way I can move some of this stuff out of here.
Get the hell out
out of my house. In Jesus' name, I pray.
Then I can start organizing. I actually want to turn this whole thing into like a closet, not a utility closet, but literally like a clothes closet. Make this into like a cute little place that I can come in, get dressed, and dip. Right. So let's get into it. A file kit that I bought because I used to have a one of them things at the office. I don't have that no more, so I'm gonna donate this. Everything I do is digital now anyway, so let me get a bin. I have plenty of them. Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Girl, why did I buy this? Who was I buying presents for this past Christmas? That gotta go. These are literally all my moving bins from when I moved. I do not want moving blanket. Okay. What's this? Oh snap, I forgot. Girl, I forgot I had this. Curology sent me a whole bunch of stuff to give out goodie bags to the girls. Girl, lip balm, face wash. Keep this, obviously, but I'm gonna put it with the products that are over here. This is the part that you do with your friends because it's like hella fun. Turn on some music and just like ask each other what you want, what you don't want to keep. Hella batteries, like hella batteries. What even is this? I could be using this right now. This is a little monitor for your camera. This projector, I don't know. I hate this. Oh my God, I hate this because it's like, I don't know. Do I want to keep this or not? I could keep it and use it, but I do want a better projector. But I don't use this. The last time I used this, I don't even remember, like years ago. So I think I need to get rid of it, donate it. Oh, I need to keep this. What the hell? Damn, I want to hire somebody already. What that mean, y'all? What that mean? Am I cooked? Girl, I don't know. I don't feel like doing this no more. I feel like I'm going through somebody else's stuff because I haven't been in this thing for so long. This gotta go. It's getting on my nerves and it's making me not happy. It's just not making me happy. This was like $300, bro. I could charge a damn laptop with this. Nah, we about to keep this. Hold on. I feel like I can make this. We gonna put this in the keep pile. I need a whole separate bin just for cords. Oh my God, I bought this, y'all. I forgot, I was gonna do a whole YouTube video with this. This is like a video camera that goes up to 1000 zoom. So you can go in your scalp and stuff. I'm gonna make a video on this, I forgot. Okay, now I know I'm needing a trash bag now. Yeah, we're gonna need one of those. I need a trash bag.
Trash.
I'ma find one round here. Yes, I am.
Sing that motherfucking shit!
Let's get this one. Hella stuff in here that I just never used, bro. I have like a drawing pad, like a digital one, because I thought I was gonna be doing like animations over top my videos, and I just realized it was just too many steps, and I don't feel like doing that.
I don't know, I just don't think this is like right for me. I don't want to do it.
With the Christmas stuff, more holiday.
Merry Chrysler.
Not once have I used this carrying case for my headphones, because it's too oddly shaped. You can't put this in your book bag. It just takes up too much space. These headphones suck. I know, I need to show you to the camera. These hoes suck real bad. I got them in the airport because I was desperate. Never again. These will be donated. This is also trash. Or maybe I could put my phone on there.
Okay.
Start carrying my phone around. Does it stand up properly?
Stand up!
It kind of does. You know what? I might put my phone on here and start taking it around. Yeah. This goes to a speaker that I found one day because somebody was moving out of their apartment, and I found a JBL speaker that was like, honestly, I think I might have stolen it.
Oh, what does that mean, girl?
But I don't think so. I think somebody was moving out, but they put it by the trash can. But they could have just put it there.
Oh, Lord.
I don't know. I hope I didn't steal it. I don't even use it. That's the bad thing about it. How you gonna steal something and then don't even use it?
I love robbery and fraud.
Okay, period. Let's put some batteries in here. I got one drawer down and I feel a lot better already. Guys, seriously. Like, seriously, come on. Anybody could do this. You could do this too. I am a little irritated in the eyeballs because there's a lot of dust, and I do have a dust allergy.
Here she goes.
Nobody wanted to believe me, nobody. My mom would put the air conditioner on in the project. Hella dust coming through that vent. And I would wake up coughing and sneezing and my eyes would be itching. And I'm like, Mom, please. As soon as she would leave, I would turn it off and all my symptoms cleared up.
Broken the curse and freed my soul.
But she would have it blasting real bad. And I'm like, Mom, it's the air conditioner. And she wouldn't believe me. She ain't want to believe me until one day she kept trying to give me Robitussin and Theraflu and all this kind of stuff to the point where I was like, Mom, I don't need that. I don't want that. And she would get kind of upset because I was like refusing medicine that she thought would help me. One day she fixed me a cup of orange juice. I drank the orange juice. It tastes like.
Why?
Girl, it's not even funny, because why would you do that?
I mean, what the fuck?
Why would you try to drug me like that? Dayquil, ho, the orange kind. I spit that stuff right back to the cup. I said, girl, what the heck? What is this? Sister, be so serious. Right? She was like, you wouldn't drink the.
Enough.
Girl. But one day she turned the air conditioner off and my symptoms cleared up immediately. And she was like, oh.
Ow!
Started trying, now she believed me. Now she believed me. Too much. All my microphone cords, yes. Oh my God. I was looking for this like 5 minutes. Like, I literally just spent $30 on getting another one of these. It's right here, ho. That's crazy. My dang on charger for my flash on my camera, because I went up to Chattanooga to take some pictures for my niece for her graduation. Shout out to her, congratulations. I'm about to do the same thing I did in my office and get like them pegboards and put them up in here too to organize. Or maybe I should just do that in the office. Because I need to organize all this tech and I need to have it easily accessible so that I see it, so that I'm not repurchasing things that I already have. Damn, I bought this for no reason. Okay, I'm gonna come back when my drawers are all sorted so that y'all are not sitting here for hours and hours and hours, because I feel like this is gonna take me a long time.
A long periodically time.
I am excited to announce
We have an announcement to make.
that she is done.
Woo-wee!
I cleaned out all of the drawers. Girl, I'm trying to give you evidence, ho. Period, because you can't tell me, you can't say I didn't do that. Can you see it? I'm definitely gonna take this and sand it down and color it, paint it. I'm actually excited to do that. But this will end up holding like my underwear.
Nasty.
And socks and t-shirts and stuff like that, because I don't like folding that stuff. You gotta put that stuff in a drawer, right? Yeah. That felt good, cleaning that out of there. Now I gotta fix all this other stuff. Say more. Like, this is dead, ho. I mean, it still kind of worked a little bit, but it fell apart. This was my smoothie maker for like years. And then it fell apart right when everything was just like too stressful for me. And this was my last straw. So I just tossed it in here and bought a new one, even though I ain't really had the money at the time. Bought like a smaller, still powerful smoothie machine. Or what are these called? Batidoras? What are these called? Smoothie maker. A damn blender. It works with this attachment, but it doesn't work with the other attachment. So I have like a little, whatever. Y'all don't care. I could probably use this, right? Or should I just toss it? Like, somebody can't fix it. Like, y'all can't fix it. So this room actually has a closet. It's right there. And I have my pants stored in them right now, but I actually might turn that into the pantry and then make this entire space the closet. How y'all like that idea? My bike is also in here, but my apartment complex does have bike storage, so I might actually put my bike down there. I just don't want nobody going all up and taking my bike and stuff. Oh, this baddie. I'm gonna have to give this to my mom or somebody because I don't need this no more. I'm gonna give this away. Whee! And another thing I need to give away is this sleeping thing, child. Are these different? I think these are the same one from Intex. Should I keep one for outdoors and keep one for indoors? It's a double. I low-key could use this for like camping, huh? It just seems like ridiculous to have 2 blow-up beds. I do want to go camping. You think a double bed? Can you fit a double blow-up mattress in a tent? Yes, a double blow-up mattress will likely fit inside a typical 2-person tent, but it will likely take up most of the floor space, leaving little room for gear or movement. Do y'all keep y'all's boxes for like everything? Can we stop? Can we stop? And can you stop too? I'm sick of it. For the printer, ho, warranty. Trash, ho. This box right here from my TV. See ya! This one too, this little box. I have this big ass monitor for my computer. It's very fragile. And transporting it, I need like a box or something, a carrying case. So I've been using this box. I'm gonna keep this one little thing, Okay, what else wanna go? Cause y'all cruising for a bruising. All these tools need to be organized and fixed up. It's not much, it's actually all already organized in here, but it just needs a place to go other than this bin. I need a toolbox, that's what I need. Oh my God, my robe. I love this robe, it's so vibrant. Like, why is this so damn orange? Golly. Or do y'all see red? I don't know, I've been looking at a bunch of stuff on TikTok. Apparently a lot of people are colorblind and they just don't know. So now I'm out here like,
I'm colorblind.
when did I buy all this damn tape? Wait, this low-key, this tea.
Her body tea.
This tea for real, this little bag from Urban Outfitters. period. All my tools and whatnot are organized. I'm gonna put this outside for just 1 second. You know how right before you move to a new place, you look around and you go, oh, like I don't have that much stuff. And then you start digging through drawers and going through knick-knack, paddywhack. It's actually too much.
I can't do it. I can't.
That's why I'm just getting rid of every little thing that I know I will not use. Trash. Oh, this trash can definitely gotta go. And I know I spent like at least $70 on it.
Every time I come here, it stinks.
It smell like.
I don't use this for anything. Some of the stuff I'm really gonna get rid of. Like, stop playing, get rid of it.
What? No.
Trash. I only need one thing of Christmas roll paper. Just donate it. So I have this like CB2 shelf, and I remember being so embarrassed buying it because it was so expensive. I think I'm gonna use it for like shoes because I never have a place for my shoes. I'm just gonna change the color of it because right now it's black and everything I own is black.
It was so black.
Black, 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 black. I'm going to definitely spray paint this. I have a few fun jobs, like DIY moment. I just gotta pick a day to do it because it rains so much out here and I wanna do this outside. I'm not trying to spray paint and sand stuff inside my apartment. But I think this will be a fun DIY. I definitely need a new white backdrop. This hoe is tall up from the floor up. I also have a cute bunch of shelves that I could paint, or I don't even know. What could I put on here? Oh my God, I could display my sunglasses. This could be like a little sunglasses shelf, like something, girl. Jewelry, accessories. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty much it for the things that I think I want to throw away. So now I'm just gonna organize this stuff real quick. Most of this will go into this closet, but I also have to organize the closet. But I'm gonna do that on a live stream with the girls over on Patreon. So I'll see y'all when this is all cute, and then we can go ahead and start designing the space, buying a few pieces of furniture, and then turning this into a closet. Well, well, well. And they said I couldn't do it. They was in the streets protesting. He can't do it. He can't clean. And now look, you look stupid. I cleaned every inch of this hoe, vacuumed, I got rid of a bunch of stuff. Boom, that's over there. Boom, my bike is over here. Can you see it?
Yeah.
My bike is over here. Everything is pushed out of the way, so now I can actually like do stuff. We can go shopping. I'm not gonna do that thing where I list out a bunch of things I need to do on a mental list. I'm gonna actually do it. Pertinent things that I need to do are, I gotta donate a bunch of stuff and take the trash out. And then, IKEA. So, coming up on the next episode of Will on a Whim, we are going shopping. Cause girl, I need to get some stuff. This is a closet, so we gotta get stuff for the closet. And then we're gonna get into my favorite part, which is the DIY. I'm excited for y'all to see what we get into. So like this video and subscribe to the channel because I think this one's gonna be super fun. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.